Assalamu alaikum students. Last time I made a video and uploaded and shared with you guys, and that was about speaking task and speaking test 1 from book 8, and I gave you the answer of 4 questions. And today I am making this video for part 2, in which you will be given a cue card, okay, and you will be given a topic and 4 questions at least, and you are supposed to speak about 1 or 2 minutes on this topic. And the fact is that you have lots of stuff, lots of ideas, lots of words in your mind to continuously speak for 2 minutes. Okay, it requires lots of efforts and it requires a lot. And you'll be given 1 minute time to think on this topic. And likewise, the topic over here, you need to describe a time when you were asked to give your opinion in a questionnaire or survey, and you should say what the questionnaire survey was about, why you were asked to give your opinions, what opinion you gave, and explain how you felt about giving your opinions in this questionnaire survey. And the way you are going to attempt this speaking task is like, you need not to deviate from the topic. You have to come, whenever you go off the topic, immediately you have to come back on the questions, on the topic, and on the questions you are giving the answers of. Okay, and one more thing, while writing this task, it's not the writing task, in fact it is a speaking task, but I told you already, when you don't have someone to speak with, you can write your ideas on a paper, okay, and speak those ideas, and you record your audio, and you can listen that audio, and you can find where you find the weaknesses and find the points where you can improve yourself. The way I wrote this document, I wrote it on Microsoft Word, and the way I wrote this speaking task, the words I wrote on Microsoft Word, I was remain committed. I never omitted or erase any word, because it was like I was sitting in front of examiner, and the words slipping out of my mouth, I need to cover those words now. So the same strategy, the same mindset I followed over here while writing this task. And the words I wrote on Microsoft Word, I never allowed myself to delete or erase that word. In fact, I added new words to cover those words or those ideas I was talking about. Okay, now I'm going to share that answer sheet. Okay, you'll be given 1 minute to think about that topic, and you have to address only these 4 questions. You can go off the topic, but not to great extent, but you have to immediately come back. Okay, you have to hover around these questions and this topic, and you're not allowed, you don't have any liberty to go off the topic, okay, because they're gonna mark in a way like they're going to note, you're not deviating from the topic. Okay, so let me show you the answer now. Okay, and I will read this document which I prepared for you guys, and a stopwatch will also be displayed on my video on the right side. Okay, so that you can realize, this document is going to cover 2 minutes or maybe more. The fact is that during writing this document, I stopped. I felt that my document is completed, so I spoke this document. I read this document out loud, and I noted the time as well. In the first attempt, the time I recorded was 1 minute 34 seconds. So I continued to write more, to add more stuff to this document. So, and by the time when I felt that it was like taking 1 minute 56 or 57 seconds, to be very honest with you guys, so then I stopped writing. In fact, I added 3 more lines. Okay, and I was thinking myself like maybe I am deviating from the topic, and at a point I realized that I was not getting short of idea, but the fact was that I need to keep the parity with this idea, with this topic, and with these questions. I cannot go off these topics. I don't have that liberty. So it is somewhat a difficult task. Okay, you have to adopt speaking slow strategy, or you need to find the loopholes in this document. Okay, in in these 4 questions. Like, I will explain you the last question: explain how you felt about giving your opinion. This is the point where you can maneuver, you can play, I mean, you can prolong this idea to explain your feelings. Okay, so over here, this is the point where you can play. If you are getting short of time and you are feeling that time is getting, I mean, your idea is, you have told each and every bit of your idea in less than 2 minutes, so you can like prolong your ideas in that question. Okay, this fourth one, so there is a chance for you to explain your feelings, because I mean, you can prolong explanation of your feelings. Okay, so this is the point where I felt like I can play with the document or whatever. Okay, let me take you to the document which I prepared for you guys. So the idea behind writing these documents is so that you can like learn to make new sentences, you can generate new ideas, you can see how you can play with the words. Okay, and you're going to learn some expressions out of this, and I mean, whatnot. Okay, let me take you to the answer I have written. In fact, I will speak that aloud, and I'm gonna show you the stopwatch as well, so that to show you the time this document is going to cover. Okay, the answer is here. Okay, you can see the answer on your screen. Okay, you are going to like go back to the video to note down the questions. Okay, because I'm not going to show you that question document now on. You're just going to see the answer. So I'm going to read that answer. So I will try to pretend I'm sitting in front of the examiner. Okay, so wish you best. Okay, whenever you have this opportunity to sit in front of examiner, and whenever you are presenting yourself in front of examiner, I truly wish you all the best. Okay, now I'm going to answer this document which was given to me, and the task was like, I need to describe document of questionnaire or surveyor or survey form. Okay, let's start now. Well, way back more than a couple of years ago, once after finishing my meal at KFC brand, located in the middle of the path from my office to home, I was given a document to complete a survey. I don't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure that the company had launched a new product, and I was one of the customers that day who ordered the new product of theirs. Therefore, when I was requested to fill in a survey form, I gladly received the paper, and it was, of course, about their newly introduced product. And the matter of fact was that new item tasted awesome. They asked about the taste of the product, and my opinion was for sure to have wonderful experience tasting the new one. And after filling in the form, I thought that large companies always love to keep close contact with their customers in the same way as KFC did. And I admitted to myself the reason behind the success of these big global chains is absolutely to concentrate on what their valuable customers feel and say about their products. I truly felt amazing after contributing, rather sharing my fair observation with the company. It was a great experience and made me realize that my thoughts or feelings about their products or services do matter a lot to them. Indeed, I was feeling so excited that I discussed the same idea with my company CEO, and we did launch a survey and distributed number of survey forms to our customers. And they liked the idea, as well as some of our customers did follow the same strategy and shared their experiences with us. And that's all. Okay, I am concluding my statements, my documents, and in fact, hopefully this will cover 2 minutes time period, and the examiner will ask me to stop. Of course, because I was reading this, okay, while you are speaking, you are giving some pauses, so it's not a big deal, okay, to speak till 2 minutes or maybe more than 2 minutes. Okay, and you have to adopt the strategy of speaking slowly. Okay, so that's all for this part. And you see in the last like 3 or 4 lines, 4 or 5 lines, you might feel that it was like it was not off the topic, but it was like expressing my feelings, because I realized that I have like running short of ideas. Okay, I have, in fact, rather I have covered all of my topics, all of my questions already. So I was like getting short of. I was having no further point to elaborate. So at that point, I thought to extend the idea of my feelings. Okay, to describe my feelings. So I took like 4 or 5 lines to cover my feelings, only because we have addressed all of the previous questions already. So that's how, I mean, this is the point. So you can like, hopefully you might have learned something out of it. And I will keep on uploading these kind of videos, and hopefully you're gonna subscribe to my channel and like my video, so that you will always be updated for my any videos which I'm going to upload. Thank you very much.